नई दिल्ली 11 दिसंबर 2024 बंदरगाह, जहाजरानी और जलमार्ग मंत्रालय MOPS द्वारा यशोभूमि द्वारका नई दिल्ली में आयोजित बहुप्रतीक्षित भारत समुद्री विरासत सम्मेलन 2024 का उद्घाटन दिवस आज माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री जगदीप धनखड़ द्वारा संबोधित।
I must tell you that Mr. Lakshman is felicitating the Honorable Minister with a necklace of beads, which is a replica of beads made with the same technology as it was used by the Harappans almost 5,000 years ago. Now the felicitation would continue and would request Mr. Lakshman to felicitate the Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment and Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji. Applause should continue. Now would request Mr. Lakshman to felicitate the Honorable Minister of Culture and Tourism, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji. Now Mr. Lakshman would take the charge to felicitate the Honorable Minister of State for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Shantanu Thakur ji. Now would like to invite Mr. Manoj Kumar Semwal, MD IPRCL, to do the honors and felicitation of the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Water Resources, Arunachal Pradesh, Shri Biuram Wage ji. Give them a huge round of applause as they took out time for us. Now would request Mr. Manoj to felicitate the Honorable Minister of Legislative Affairs, Law and Judiciary, Environment and Captain of Ports, Goa, Shri Alexo Sekira ji. Now we'll begin with the felicitation of the Honorable Minister of Transport, UP, Shri Daya Shankar Singh ji. Would request Mr. Manoj to kindly do the honors. And after this, Mr. Manoj will take charge to felicitate the Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Admiral D.K. Joshi, retired. Now would like to say Mr. Manoj will take the charge to felicitate the Honorable Deputy CM and Minister of Arts and Culture. All right. Would like to ask the Secretary of MOPSW. Would like to ask Mr. Manoj to kindly do the honors and felicitate the Secretary of MOPSW, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri T.K. Ramachandran ji. With a bouquet of flowers that we have. Thank you so much, all of you, for taking out your precious time, and thank you so much, Mr. Manoj and Mr. Lakshman as well, to felicitate our esteemed dignitaries. And after this, with the felicitation all complete, we now move on to the ceremonial Deep Prajalan, the lighting of lamps symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and ushering in of light, knowledge and prosperity. May I request all our dignitaries to kindly come forward and do the honors for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Strengthening its shipping infrastructure and developing new trade corridors. Our Blue Economy initiatives focus on sustainable shipping, marine conservation, and harnessing ocean resources for the future. So as we have always been saying, Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi. That is our motto. The National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal, Gujarat, is a key step in preserving and celebrating our maritime legacy. Lothal, one of the world's oldest dockyards, which is part of the Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata, the Indus Valley civilization, or now we call it the Saraswati Valley civilization, symbolizes India's advanced maritime skills. As we celebrate our maritime past, we must focus also on India's future role in global maritime affairs. India is committed to building a sustainable,
sharing your kind words with all of us. And now I would request the team to kindly play the film that we have on Lothal and NMHC.
Shipping and Waterways is developing the first of its kind National Maritime Heritage Complex at